I already have a microchip. Why do I need a smart tag? A microchip is a great first step, but not enough protection for a lost pet. A microchip can only be read by a vet or rescue with their scanner. Someone who finds your pet has to bring them to a rescue or vet to get any information. The vet has to be open. If it's after hours or on weekends, a microchip offers no value. There are multiple microchip registries. The vet has to have access to all registries or the chip is unreadable. Most registries require annual fees to keep the microchip active. Otherwise, you are erased from the registry. The registry information has to be kept current. If you move or change your number, you need to update the microchip data. Many rescue dogs have outdated microchip information that is registered to their previous owner. A pet tag is the only thing that works 24/7, 365 days a year, and can be read wherever your pet is found. Many vets recommend a smart pet tag in addition to a microchip. Improve your pet's safety. Get a smart tag.